Hello, young readers! Today, we're going to explore the amazing world of books and libraries. From finding your favorite stories to learning how to read, we'll discover how books can take us on wonderful adventures. Are you ready to dive into the world of reading? Let's get started! Books are like magical windows to different worlds. They can tell us stories, teach us new things, and even take us on exciting adventures. There are many types of books, like storybooks with fun tales, picture books with beautiful illustrations, and comic books with cool characters. Each book has something special to offer. A library is a fantastic place where you can find lots of books to read. Libraries have shelves filled with all kinds of books, and friendly librarians are there to help you find what you're looking for. You can explore different sections, like fiction, nonfiction, and even books about your favorite hobbies. Choosing a book can be fun. You can pick a book based on its cover, the pictures, or the title. If you like stories about animals, look for books with animal characters. If you're curious about space, find books about planets and stars. There are so many amazing books to discover. Reading a book is like going on an adventure with your imagination. Find a cozy spot, open your book, and start reading. You can read aloud or quietly to yourself, follow the words on the page, and let the story take you on a journey.